I'm interested in understanding sociality and all aspects of sociality, and I study sociality in the social insects, which include ants, bees, wasps, and termites. And our research group is interested in the evolution of social behavior. We're interested in why social animals are successful, and we're very interested recently in the molecular basis of social behavior. So I actually got interested in insects before I was interested in social insects. So I think, like a lot of kids, I used to play with insects, used to pull their legs off, all this kind of thing. And through, when I was an undergraduate at Cornell and even into graduate school, I continued to be fascinated by insects and slowly became very interested in social insects. They were just so remarkable that they could work together and do such extraordinary things. And that just carried all the way through into adulthood. And so I still play with insects and with social insects. We work on fire ants, work on honeybees, we're doing work on termites, and so we have a lot of the animals here, and now we just need to bring them into the lab and manipulate them and work with them in order so we can answer some of our questions. So right now I'm collaborating with another faculty member here at Georgia Tech, Dr. Dan Goldman, who's in physics, and we have a very exciting project looking at how social organisms, in this case fire ants, work together to complete complex tasks and build complex structures. For example, we're working on how do fire ants build nests, and when you think about social insect nests, they're extraordinary. So termite, for example, in Africa or in Australia, build nests that are essentially the size of small mountains compared to us, except that they're blind and they basically can't take any direction. And so the question is, how do you construct such a complex structure when you can't see and you can't communicate effectively? And this is a very important question that we think, if we can understand, could help us, humans, work better together, build structures, and be more efficient. And this is a new project that we're doing together, which is very exciting. So we go out into the field to collect fire ants or yellow jacket nests or wasp colonies. We bring them back, and I've had some students who have done behavioral work in the lab, actually trying to look at mating behavior of yellow jackets or working with the behavior of ants. I have other students who really do all their work on a computer, who are doing computational biology and doing some extraordinary work there. And then we also have other students who are manipulating the insects in an experimental setting, trying to get them to build nests or to work together to complete tasks. So we do all kinds of things: molecular biology, computational biology, ecology, behavior, all sorts of work going on in our research group.